Today, I will guide you how to change voice while chatting when playing League of Legends with Voice Changer software Diamond. Step 1. Prepare the new voice with Voice Changer software Diamond. In the main panel of Voice Changer software Diamond, choose the morphing effects for your voice, and make adjustments until you are satisfied with the output voice. Step 2. Change the audio setting of Garena. Open Garena, click League of Legends, then click on Voice Chat in the right bottom to open Settings dialog box. In the dialog box, choose Audio tab. In the Microphone Device section, change the setting into Microphone, AV Soft Virtual Audio Device. Click Save to apply settings and close Setting dialog box. You now can do voice conversation with your friends in-game. The morphing settings for your voice will be applied automatically.